be using artificial intelligence to solve a riddle. In Python, 'cause why not? So let's open VS Code, wait for it to load, create a new project, make it in Python, and let's save this as monks in a monastery.py. There are monks in a monastery. Some of them have blue eyes, some of them have green eyes. If a monk finds out she has green eyes, she has blue eyes, she has to leave their island. Depending if we have N blue-eyed monks, how long will it take them to leave the island? So the first thing we're going to do is create a function to solve this. Now in Python, we do it def. Yeah. Just to make sure. Now you'll notice there are 3 errors. Since we currently don't have anything in this function, let's write pass not to get any errors. And you'll notice I put some indentation. Python uses indentation to mark code blocks. This is 4 spaces away. So it belongs to this. If I put another block, maybe like print hello, these have different indentation levels. In Python, that's illegal because let's say I had an if I had an if true statement, it wouldn't know whether this print belongs to here, this block of code, or this block of code, and who's its parent. So here's how it's going to work. Let's add blue-eyed monks as a parameter. Let's do return monks in a monastery, blue-eyed. Actually, I forgot to set an if. If blue-eyed monks is greater than 1, then turn monks in monastery monks. And then we just return. Actually, we want to add 1. And we want to subtract 1. Now let's do print. Print is Python's way of printing a line, like std, cout, and C++, except it automatically adds a new line for you. So then we're going to create a variable called monks, and then let's set it to int input. Now, int is sort of like a typecast in C++, except it only works. Like if I said, for instance, string. I couldn't do that with input, of course. Stir or num int or stir, it converts it. So let's convert this to int and put it back so we don't spoil the code. And this input is a function for getting input from the command line. And then print, it will take them, and then we add a comma And then we add the next value to print. Monks in a monastery. Monks. Days for all the blue-eyed monks to leave the island. Okay. And let's press this play button and wait for VS Code to load. Let's say 17. So it works. Now let's try this again. And if I say none, this number, okay, I think it just threw a Python error. Oh, there's a limit. Okay, so that's it. Bye, guys.